Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Mallory. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the new Nightmare Before Christmas collection by Wet n Wild. This collection is so cute, y'all. So cute. Before we get into creating a look and using some of these products, I'm going to show you a few swatches. The first thing that we have is the blush lighter palette. These shades are very interesting to me, especially as blush shades, but we're going to give them a try. In the last video in the Beetlejuice collection, we got something similar and I was just kind of like, what the hell? So, you know, let's just give it a try and see. But I don't know, y'all. I don't know what these brands are thinking. I guess they're trying to make makeup fun again, but I don't know. I also picked up this Light the Way body glitter. This is a body glitter illuminator, and this is so pretty. The shade is very iridescent pinkish purple. Now, where are you gonna wear this to? I'm not exactly sure. But for just a skin glitter, very cute. The next product we're gonna look at is this Nightmare Before Christmas. This is just a lip gloss. This one is the shade Truth or Scare. It's green looking, but while I swatched it, it did just look clear. So this does just look like a cute clear lip gloss, and we can't go wrong with clear lip gloss. Lastly, the main reason we're all here, the main attraction, is the eye and face palette. This is a 16 pan palette with soft mattes, shiny shimmers, gleaming satins, and self-adhering multi-dimensional glitter. The shades that I most like out of this palette so far, just upon first impression, the red, the black, and pretty much this whole bottom two rows. Those shades are just like chef's kiss, especially the red, like you're onto something, Wet n Wild. Today we're gonna work a bit backwards. I'm gonna start with the blush palette and then we're gonna move on to the eyes. But I just wanna see, like, can we actually use this? Like, is this something that's doable for me? And I actually have been seeing what people where they do like multicolored blushes, so let's try that today. I got both shades on this brush. This is a Stifling 40 FM by Farrah. Now I wanna make sure that the pink side is upwards. Doing it again. Let's. Okay, the first swipe I just didn't have enough product. I am gonna blend this out, y'all. Don't worry, have no fear. There's gonna be blending done here. Okay, this is a cream shop brush, just a big fluffy one. This one doesn't have any product on it, so I'm just gonna go in and blend that out. Dare I add more? Dare she add more? I like to bring my blush a little bit more forward so that it'll look more like, snatch me up, girl. Okay, so it's not awful. It's not awful. I don't hate it. Maybe I should have chilled out last time on NYX because I was immediately like, no, but it's actually okay. Now I'm gonna go in with that. Wait a second. Put some translucent powder on and I'm realizing I did not get rid of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the highlighter. Ooh. A lot of pigment as well. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Okay, brush lighter palette. So I added some eyeshadow base. I really like the way this shade is looking. It's standing out to me like, let's use you as a transition shade. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. This shade, oh my gosh. Okay, so the sticker is right on top of that shade name. I'm just going to put it somewhere up here because what the hell. We're going to use this transition shade, whatever it's called. We're going to use this as a transition shade, whatever this shade is called. And this is a Fluffy Eye Blender by e.l.f. Had Wet n Wild come out with a brush situation with this, I would have picked that up too. But you know, you can only, you get what you get, you don't throw a fit. In this collection, there were also a bunch of other products, but like this contour stick, for example. Who's that contouring? Not me, babe. Needless to say, we left that at the store. Okay, go ahead, girl. Give us nothing. Give us nothing but a transition shade. That's exactly what we're using it for. So this is fine. But yet again, this is very light. Very... What are we still talking about it for? It's kind of how I feel about it. Okay, I do really want to use this shade right here. I want to get deep, dark, and colorful for these looks. So I want to go right in with this one. This one does look like a satin though, so I am kind of concerned about the blendage that we're gonna get with this product, but let's do it. Okay, let's do it. This is a Morphe FF3 brush. Sleep, baby, you know, sent me espresso. I like the way this is looking, but I feel like I need to use a different brush to get the entire pigment on here, because it was definitely giving more pigment than this whenever I swatched it. And I am using a fluffy brush. So once I get a good blend on this, I'm gonna go back in with a different brush so that we can get all of the red, all of the pigment, because I don't want this half pink stuff. No, I want the real deal. So I'm going in with a flat shadow brush, and this is definitely giving me the red that I wanted to see. Now, again, this red is a satin, so I am kind of worried about like my choice here as I'm gonna start to blend in the black, but so far this shade is looking pretty good. It's definitely doing better with a flat shadow brush than it was with the blend brush, but this is looking pretty good. So yes, we're getting red. Now I'm gonna go straight into that black. This is a smaller brush. This is a Luxie 237 blending brush. Super small but fluffy. I'm hoping that this blend goes well, but I guess we'll find out. You guys know I love a dark cut crease, but blend, I feel like red and black eyeshadow looks, I haven't seen too many of them, but every time I do see one, I'm just like, damn, that is so pretty. So that's actually looking better than expected on that blend. I was expecting not this, like I was expecting to have to start completely over, honestly. I was worried about this satin shade and this matte blending together, but they actually blend really well. So far, the pigment on this palette, well, really this one and the blush palette, as you saw, are very, very good. Like, it's definitely giving us true to the pan vibes, and I love that for us. I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side, and while I'm doing that, what are you guys gonna be for Halloween if you're dressing up? I love Halloween, and I love to dress up, and last year I was supposed to dress up with my kids, but then like last minute they changed their mind on me, like they didn't want to do the theme that we had talked about. Literally, I was so pissed. But this year, I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to even dress up, honestly. I don't know that I have any plans, but if I do, I don't know what I want to dress up as. So if you are dressing up, let me know what you're gonna be. Or if you're not dressing up but you have kids, let me know what your kids are gonna be. I would just love Halloween so much. I ask everybody that around this time of year, like, what are you gonna be? What are you gonna be? And everybody's like, I'm grown as hell, I'm not dressing up. But you never know. You could be going to like a Halloween party or something. You never know. Which shade should we use next? I really want to use this green down here. And this one, I think. Oh, but this one was really pretty too. Okay, so one's green and one's blue. What if we use both? What if we use both? So let's start with this shade right here. This is a Morphe, some sort of flat eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna try it with the brush first. We may have to use the finger. Look at how it's clumped up right there though. I'm growing concerned. Let's just see. What is that? What is that? And not in a good way. What is this? Let's get rid of that. Start over. So I tried this shade. I don't like the way that one looks either. Okay, so this shade right here, this like purple one, this might be a good one to use instead. Creeping It Cute. That's a cute name. Okay, so that one is looking a lot better. And it looks even better on this side since I didn't use that other clumpy shade first. Excuse me? Are we in my eye? Why would you get in my eye? Why did you do me that way? In my eye? Be for real. That's disrespectful. The show must go on. Okay, let's get back into it. Where were we? We're gonna go into this green right here now. This green. Be careful of the eyes because that shit burns a lot. Like, I still feel it. Not me being mad as a palette, like it jumped out and stuck itself in my eye. Like, literally, you did it, girl. So we're gonna go in with that green. I thought it'd be cool to use red and green, like, you know, a little bit of Christmas, but the black adds the nightmare, you know, so the nightmare before. I'm gonna do the same with that blue. I'm gonna try to fit it on the edge, but we're running out of eye room, so. But oh, so it looks more green than it does blue. Ooh, see? It's like, Christmas nightmare. Ooh, Christmas nightmare. I'm going back in with that Luxie blending brush, the one that had the black on it, and just gonna add a little bit more darkness to this outer corner. Yeah, that's cute. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Okay, before we use that lip gloss, I am going to put on a lip liner. This one is by ColourPop. It's just a brown. Now we're gonna go into the Wet n Wild. This is the Truth or Scare clear lip gloss. Well, it looks kind of green, but I'm pretty sure it's just clear. So as big as this applicator is, there was nothing on there. There was nothing on there. Okay, there we go. I was about to say, why would they pack this up like a chip container? Leave a bunch of air at the top. I just put this out of the package right before I swatched to show you guys, and why is this acting like it's damn near empty? Like, I know my lips ain't that big. Like, why are you doing that? It's like the smallest little bit, and then look at the bottle. It just doesn't look like. Where's the product? Where's the product, babe? I forgot to use the body glitter. Let's put some on. Ooh. Excuse me. It was a little bit too much of a hurry to get down my shirt, hun. Okay, so it's giving us like glowing body. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. That's cute. Okay, light reflection. Let's talk about it. So this right here. Excuse me, Miss Girl. Why does she smell like pumpkin spice a little? It just smells like fall, like pumpkin spice, a little hazelnut, a little bit of nutmeg. Smells like Thanksgiving. Whatever this is, this body glitter smells damn like good. Smells good. I love stuff that smells good. I can't put my finger on the smell, but I want to say it's like something baked, some sort of baked Thanksgiving treat. Needless to say, that's one of my favorites. That body glitter, yes. Now this collection is very, very cute. The packaging. This product right here, I swear is haunted, because why are you only giving me a little bit of lip gloss? Just jumped out of my hand. Y'all saw it. Like, I had a grip on it and it just bloop. Like, how? Where are you going? But anyways, like I was saying, hold on to her tightly. This collection is cute. I really, really like the body glitter. The palette was pretty cute. The shades are very, very pigmented. Tons of fallout, but that's to be expected. We get that with any palette, so no big deal. No harm, no foul. This actually kind of surprised me. The blush came out pretty decent. I didn't hate it as much as I thought I would. And of course the lip gloss, just a clear lip gloss. It looks like lip gloss. But all in all, great collection. And again, I picked this up at CVS. They did have more products, but not for me. So I picked up the ones that I thought that I could use, and actually turned out pretty good. So let's give Wet n Wild a round of applause for their Nightmare Before Christmas collection. Before you guys click off this video, make sure that you give video a thumbs up, like this video. Let me know what y'all are wearing for Halloween. Let me know what your costume is gonna be, girl. I know y'all know by now. Maybe not, because I don't know, but let me know what y'all are gonna wear, and you guys will see my face in the next one.